Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make an upgrade, SSD upgrade on Asus model X541U. Turn it around. We have to unscrew all of the screws we see here. Okay, we have unscrewed all of the screws on this bottom panel. Now turn it around and with a sharp tool we have to split the bottom case in two. Now using a plastic tool, now be careful because here we have to disconnect these cables. And now this is our hard drive. We need to disconnect this metal bracket. Unscrew this screw and slide it to the right. This is our hard drive. To replace it, just unscrew the 4 screws on the both sides of this bracket and place the new SSD drive in here and in reverse order. Just place everything again together. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.